We've been working on TIRS since 2008. We're building it in-house at Goddard, and these last 2 months of testing, we ran 3 shifts a day to monitor the instrument 24/7. Because TIRS is a thermal instrument that measures temperature from space, we do our testing in a thermal vacuum chamber where we can control the temp and pressure. At the front of the chamber is our calibration equipment. Behind is the TIRS instrument. Both sit on top of a sled that slides out of the chamber. But before we move TIRS, we need to do a thorough inspection. Photographs document the layout of wires to see if anything is touching that shouldn't be. It only takes a little bit of accidental contact to add an extra heat load to the cryocooler. Once satisfied with our inspection, we disconnect the wires and cooling lines from the instrument and the calibration equipment. Then we pull out the sled.
And then we'll have 3 people out here pulling, and everybody else that's not doing anything is going to be monitoring, making sure we don't catch any harnesses, cables, or whatnot.
We need someone in the back of the chamber to handle the connections on that side too. They also help push the sled out.
Thank you. Ready, Carl? Yes.
It doesn't feel that heavy, even though it's a lot of weight. The sled is engineered to roll pretty smoothly. As we work, we stay connected to a grounding wire to keep static electricity from damaging the instrument. We need to completely cover the equipment before we open the protective tent. This keeps dust and other particulates from contaminating or damaging the instrument. We'll move the whole platform down the hall with TIRS still on top.
We're going to have Carl, Mike, pushing from the back of the pillar.
The platform rides on a cushion of air, kind of like an air hockey table or a hovercraft. It's pretty easy to steer, but we don't want to move too quickly and jolt the instrument. The important thing is safety, because we are moving hundreds of pounds of equipment. Once we get TIRS in the clean room, we can do the final touches and get on with the rest of our environmental testing. So far, TIRS has done a beautiful job of providing the engineering team and the scientists with the data that they need. In many cases, we're exceeding our requirements, and that is very exciting. It's not only performing, but performing beautifully.